Welcome back, friends. Today I'll be continuing from last time where I have left. Last time we have covered how to use transitions, how to insert stills or pictures, and how to put some life in that. We have used pan and zoom option. From here we have used pan and zoom option last time, and then transition effects. Today we'll be learning how to insert some video and some audio in that, and what kind of options we could use with them. So first of all, I will be inserting some video. I'm clicking on add videos and photos. Before that, we should very clear where to insert the video, because wherever the insertion point is, it will insert the video at that particular point. So just now I want my video to be inserted at the end. I click it here at the end, add videos. I had one video here for this demo purpose, so I'll be inserting this video here. You could see here one video is inserted. If I click it, yes, this video has been added here. Okay, now this video is already having one audio. So if I want to off this audio, I don't want this audio, I can go to edit by clicking on this video, edit tab. Under edit tab, video volume is there, so I can, if I click it towards the left, let's see, volume totally gone, means it is mute. This volume is mute, no volume. Now this video is too lengthy for me. I don't want this lengthy video. What I could do, even I want to break this video in between. So how to do it? Under edit tab, there is the split option. I can click on the split option. As the result, you will see here it is divided into two parts. We split it here also. Yes, as many parts we can make from the single video. And suppose I want till here only. What I could do, now this is the trim tool, this is set start point, this is set end point. Set start point means from where I want to start, and from where, suppose I want to start from here, this point, click on set point. You could see here that earlier part is gone, and I want somewhere till here. Yes, set endpoints. You could see rest of the part has gone, been deleted, so I could use it. The trim tool, if I'll click the same way it works, I can decrease the size manually and save trim. As a result, it will do the same work. I hope it is clear to you. And same way, now I have already divided the video into two parts. I can use transition effects in this. As I have told you earlier, that can be the benefit. Okay, let's see how it looks. Yes, so it is working fine for me. Now in this video, it is running on 1x speed. If I click on edit tab, you could see here the speed is 1x. 1x makes normal speed. If sometimes what happens in a video, we want to make a video to run more faster. Suppose I'm clicking on 8x. Now on 8x, let's see how it looks. It is running more faster. I hope you have noticed. Now the same thing, if I am clicking on 0.25x, you will see it is increased, means more time this video clip will take, means less speed. Let's see. See, in slow motion flowers are moving here and there. So these options are very beneficial sometimes to increase or decrease the speed of your video. So I'll again convert it into 1x. Okay, now I want to add some audio in my clips. What I could do, under home tab I can click on add music. Yes, add music option is there. One already audio is there. Click on open. You could see here one green layer at the bottom. So what you will do, if I'll click on play option, yes, see, it's looking good along with some background music. No, I can put as any kind of music as a bottom track. Now this is the bottom track, the green one is the audio track. This point is vacant. A little bit I'll zoom it. You could see here no music is here in this part. If I click on play, it starts. From here it is no music. So what I could do, I'll select this options and I'll click it here, set start point. You will see here now that starting point is this, where the actual music is starting, and I'll also use fade in, which will gradually increase the music volume slow, and at ending point also I can click fade out slow. What will be the effect now? Just you see, if I play it, see, slowly and slowly, if you have noticed, volume is going up, and here slowly and slowly it will go down. Yes, I hope you have noticed. So we have some other options also. Set start point, as I have already told you, as we were using in video. Here also we could use it to start my music from any part. It could be from in between also, and end part wherever I want to end it. I can add two music also at the same time. Suppose I want to end this music here. Suppose I have to move my cursor that side. Click on set end point. As a result, you will see now my music is ending here. Here there is no music, and from this point I can add any new music. Suppose I'm adding the same music from the starting. You could see here again it is starting from here. So in this way we have learnt how to add different videos and how to set the speed of the video. We have learnt by 1x to 16x, depends upon the requirement, and how to use audio. Playing the audio here under options, music volume. This is the music volume. It goes down, it totally off. So you can play. In middle it will show the music from both the sides. So today I'll be completing my tutorial till this point. In next tutorial I'll be teaching you further how to use title, caption and credits. Till then, goodbye.